Good evening, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of Unit 4, Total English, Class 12, latest edition. So without wasting further time, let's start. This is the first assignment on page 61. This is the assignment on page 61. It's on tenses. So states fill in the blanks with the simple future or future continuous form of verbs given in the brackets. The first one is, I'm sure. The answer is, we will have a good time staying with them. If you come before noon, I will be waiting for you in my cabin. The third one, Rose is 17 now. Next year, she will be 18. Fourth one, at this time tomorrow, I will be enjoying myself in Missouri. Fifth one, if you go there now, they will be having dinner. Sixth one, this store will reopen on 26th December. Seventh one, my father will retire at the age of 60. Eighth one, they will be reaching Bhutan on Sunday. Ninth one, at this time next month, you will be traveling to Australia. Tenth one, the government will increase the price of petrol. I forgot to click the pictures of 11th and 12th one, but still I am giving the answers. They will be spending the winter in Kullu. This is the 11th one. And the 12th one is, she will be waiting outside her office for you this evening. I just missed out the 11th and the 12th one. Coming to the next assignment. You will have learned English by the end of this year. The first one. Moving ahead to the second one. You began to study Spanish in January. By December, you will have been learning it for the whole year. The third one. The film will not have started before we reach the theater. By the 15th of March, I will have been looking after him for 6 weeks. Fifth one, we will have reached this lesson by the end of this period. It is finished. There is a correction here. We will have finished. It's not reached. We will have finished. We will have finished this lesson by the end of this period. By November, we shall have been learning these lessons for 5 months. 2 months from now, she will have taken her final examination. Eighth one, as you started supporting him in 2003, by 2023, you will have been supporting him for 20 years. I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. 10th one, by 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. Moving ahead to the next assignment. This is page 66, the assignment on page 66. This is an exercise on prepositions. The oil spill in the bay has been set alight to burn off the oil. The second one, the fire burnt down the National Museum. Third one, when I am in Chicago, I will look him up. Fourth one, the police are looking into the case. Moving ahead to the fifth one, the burglar broke into the house while I was at the movie. Sixth, the preacher broke off in the middle of his speech. Seventh, if you come across my purse, please give it to me. Eighth, how did you come by this rare photograph? Ninth, he dropped out of school last year. 10th, please try to drop in when you come to Delhi. 11th, the thief got off safely. 12th, get up early and go for a walk daily. 13th, please hold on for a moment, I will call my mother. 14th, there was an accident on the highway and the traffic held me up. 15th, she started off by introducing herself. OFF. 16th, the company started out with just 5 employees. 17th, we need 2 more players to make up the team. 18th, I almost need a magnifying glass to make out what Anish has written. 19th, we will have to put off our plans for a year. 20th, I won't put up with your irregular working habits. Moving ahead to the specimen paper, question 3 of the specimen paper. 4, the first sentence. This is exercise 3A. Reena speaks so fast that we cannot follow her. The answer will be, Reena speaks too fast for us to follow her. The second one, both the suggestions made by him were not accepted. The answer is, neither of his suggestions was accepted. Neither of his suggestions was accepted. The third one, no sooner did he hear the news than he collapsed. Answer is, he collapsed as soon as he heard the news. Fourth one, you never know where you are with friends like those, do you? One never knows where one is with friends like those, does one? The last sentence of this exercise, he earns a lot, but he spends a lot. The answer is, the more he earns, the more he spends. Moving ahead to the next exercise, fill in each blank with a suitable word. Love is compared to a rainbow. Do not compare him with me. Third one, he complained to the principal about Arun. Fourth one, he often complains against his neighbor. Fifth one, he is confident of success. Sixth, I have no confidence in him. 7th, he deals in sugar. 8th, he knows how to deal with his friends. 9th one, I differ with you on this point. 10th, slate differs from other types of rocks. Moving ahead to the C part of question 3. There was once a pious, the first blank, the answer to the first blank will be was. There was once a very pious farmer. One day, as he was returning from the market, his cart broke down in the middle of the woods. Since he wasn't carrying his prayer book, the third blank, the answer to the third blank will be carrying his prayer book, he was distressed. Therefore, he prayed, I have done something very foolish. The answer to the fourth blank is have done something very foolish, Lord. I forgot my prayer book at home and I cannot recite. It will not change. It will be recite only. I cannot recite a single prayer without it. So I will recite. The answer to the sixth blank is will recite the alphabet 5 times very slowly. And you, to whom all prayers are known, can put the letters together to form. The answer to the 7th blank is to form the prayers which I don't remember. Of all the prayers I heard today, the answer to the 8th blank is heard. The Lord said to his angels, this one is undoubtedly the best. The answer to the 9th one is the best because it came from the heart that was simple and sincere. The answer to the 10th blank is came. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.